most citizens in Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu, verifying if their municipal property tax notice is actually correct is nearly difficult due to a complex multi-factor formula. This is where the project Verify One, a single-purpose, trustworthy tool that audits tax notices against real-sourced rate structures, comes in. It supports full accessibility configurations, including multi-language localization featuring English, Hindi, Tamil, Tanglish, and Hinglish, along with a native dark mode toggle. Gemma acts as an intelligent entity extractor. It reads the unstructured natural language text and isolates the specific key value pairs. So the text outlines a property in Gandhipuram, Coimbatore, an ordinary load-bearing residential building constructed around 15 years ago, specifying an active charge of rupees 8,200 due on October 15, 2026. Now let's click on Verify Notice button and see what happens. At this stage, to prevent AI hallucinations and ensure government-grade mathematical compliance, Gemma does not compute the tax amount. The variables extracted by Gemma are passed into a separate deterministic Python calculation engine. This engine runs the official static Coimbatore City Municipal Corporation ARV formula to calculate the exact expected tax down to the rupees. So we see that we have 4 stages of processing. First, upload notice, then AI reads notice, then checking rules, and finally get report. Now here is our key architectural pivot. Gemma does not handle the math. Instead, extracted data is passed to a deterministic rule-based Python calculation engine based exactly on CCMS bylaws. Here, it found a minor variation of 63 rupees. Gemma takes these raw calculation results and acts as a translator and citizen-centric explainer. It translates the cold mathematical discrepancies into plain natural language. By clicking the download full PDF report, citizens can immediately generate a clean official audit document. This PDF provides an itemized summary, explicit evidence arrays, and an actionable localized guidance that they can directly carry to municipal offices. Next, let's look at cross-lingual flexibility. We reset the interface, switch our localization target to Hindi, specifically a property fee of rupees 8,200 due on October 15, 2026. Our pipeline handles the execution identically. The local machine reads the input and translates the core findings into citizen-centric Hindi. Note the table result update dynamically, highlighting a mismatch of 1,889 rupees due to systemic library cess rule variations. Clicking the download trigger instantly generates the formal audit report updated with localized structural translations in English, maintaining complete numerical parity with our core underlining Python processing results. To capture how citizens genuinely communicate, we also process mixed mode dialects like Hinglish, that is, Hindi plus English. The extraction engine handles conversational romancized phrasing perfectly. The system processes and outputs a discrepancy found notice with a difference of rupees 2340.61. Finally, we demonstrate full structural validation, processing native Tamil notice text, discrepancy found notification, and a clear calculator difference of rupees 1494.05. By combining the empathy of local language explanations with the precision of deterministic calculation engines, Verify One builds a bridge of absolute transparency between the municipality and the citizen, ensuring that every rupee demanded is a rupee verified. Verify One bridges the gap between complex civic policies and daily life. This architecture can be extended to support water taxes, trade licenses, and other municipal notices across India. Thank you.